Hello everyone. Suppose you have a feedback value, or you can say that you have a points and you want to give rating like in the form of star. That what you want, what exactly you can do is you can write equal to sign, then you have to write REPT, open the bracket. After that, okay, from the keyboard window and semicolon. So I'm going to press that also. First of all, window and semicolon. You will find something like this. If you are not getting star initially, you can write here star. You will get. Otherwise, suppose if you are getting, then click on that star, okay, and after that, okay, so comma, number of times, that means here whatever is the value 2 3 4, based on that we want, so we will select this cell and bracket close. Okay, so yes, correct, we are getting this error message because we have to write that star in double quotation. So we'll write here only double quotation, double quotation. Okay, so now we are getting 2 star and track down. Yeah, so we are getting, based on this value we are getting what ratings. Thank you everyone.